JB Morrow, go and get your bag.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Say hi.
Hi.
Jesus loves me, for the Bible tells me so. Yay! Good job, Mari. Jesus loves me, for the Bible tells me so. Good job. Horn on the bus go beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. Yay. Mari, who you calling? Alright, go play. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, beep, beep. All you got oranges? Yep.
Take this together. Yeah.
Hey, TC. Hey, G-Mama Daisy. I'm not about to be pregnant no more.
You're so kind and gentle.
Yeah. Show them what you're trying to do. Show them mommy's skin. Show them the mole. This boy trying to take the mole off my leg.
I had to take it.
Tell them how you trying to take this mole off my leg. He is literally pinching my skin trying to take the mole off. He trying to get it off.
Oh, yeah.
That's mommy's skin. You can't take that off.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Somebody pooping. Good job, Mari. Whoa. Yeah. Whoa. Yay. Hey. Hey, Kingston. Hi. Hi.
Usually in the beginning of any
Hi.
investigation.
Go, Mari, go. Go, Mari, go. Turn, boo. Woo! Good job, Mari. Yay! Good job.
Now, screenshot that.
Look at my hood.
See, go ahead and
Yeah, Kingston eating applesauce. Look at him. For the second time today. He got applesauce, child. Look at him. This is first time having applesauce. Well, this is second time having it today, but his first time ever. Or his second time ever. Look at him. He's tearing it up, boy. Uh-oh, God bless you. Huh? What's the issue, man? Huh? Huh? Huh, mister? Go, Mari, go.
It's so good.
Yeah, good job. Turkey that Ken made. This is how it looks. We got yellow rice. We got mac and cheese, potato salad, and green beans, and some pie.
4 days and 4
We both eating ice cream. Yummy. Okay. Come on, Mari. Whoa, good job. To get to where I need to be, I'm an excavator. Excavator. Hey, dirt, see you later. I'm an excavator. Whoa, what is that, Mari? Yeah. Y'all see his basketball goal. He can't wait to play with it. You almost got it, Mark. Alright, y'all. So it's December 31st. It's almost the new year. Look at mine. Look at Kingston, y'all. I got this one so close to my face. All right, okay. We gonna come this way so Kingston can crawl to it.
Come here, little boy.
Come on, come get the truck. Come on, Kingston. Get the truck, boo. Mari distracting them. Hey, Mari. Yeah, say, come on, brother. Don't push it to him. Let him come get it. Come on, Kingston. Come on. Look at him, y'all. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Kingston. Come on. Keep going. Yeah, I almost got it. Good job, Kingston. Come on. He like, Dave's not letting me get this thing. Come on. He's trying to get it, boy. He's trying to get it. Oh, don't worry. Kingston, you can go faster if you get on your knees. Mari, show brother how to crawl. Yeah, show him how you crawl. Well, this is the countdown to the new year.
You won't need no coat on.
Say what, 2 hours?
My New Year's resolution
Well,
almost 3 hours. Bravo.
Yeah, why Kingston doing this to himself?
You want to go into a restaurant?
Perfect. So now.
No. They have dress code.
This is what we're going to say in 3 hours. We're going to say, Happy New Year. Say happy. Say happy. Say happy. Say happy New Year. Yay, high five.
Communities through our reporting, with stories that inspire and news that matters. And this activity
Sorry, you got my meat. You missed. You got my mouth face.
plus on-demand weather forecasts.
Try again. Okay. Happy New Year. High five. Good job.
Google to DuckDuckGo.
You did good. You did good. So we waiting on the New Year, guys. We got 3 hours to go. 3 hours.
And there's no catch. It's free.
We got this password
Don't follow you around. Join the new active privacy by downloading DuckDuckGo.
I'm going to run through the cards and I want you to try to see one inside. It might not be ace of hearts, but look closely. Try to see one inside if you can. Did you see one? Yes. You have one? Okay. Whoa! What? Oh my God! That was my card!
I don't get it.
He said pick a card. I picked the 4. So yeah, that's 4 club.
Oh, okay. He was drinking. Oh, wow.
Seeing in, y'all. Seeing in. We tuned in. Waiting for the countdown.
Sorry, they messed it up. They pulled it right.
I can't make it out. I'm like the guy for New Year.
They got drinks too.
I'm pretending to be like an idiot on Wheel of Fortune. I don't know, Pat. It says something. Happy New Year. I can't solve the part for Richard Quest.
It's some seconds left. 40 seconds, y'all. 40 seconds to the new year.
Okay.
14, 13.
Here it comes.
I 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Woo! It's already on the TV, y'all. Y'all, it is officially 2024. Y'all, I'm getting old. Oh, they going outside to look at the fireworks. They do. Oh, look at all these people at Times Square. Oh, clicking the wrong thing. Yeah, look at them in Times Square. It's so many people, goodness.
Oh, I'm going. That's because of my business out there. I had to go by myself.
Next year.
Yep.
Oh my goodness. So you're gonna be standing up for 2 days. Mama said she wanna go to New York. Oh my goodness.
Gotta be careful out there.
Y'all, Mari and Chin went outside to look at the fireworks and look at Kingston. He's sleeping. Oh. Yeah, for me. 24.
Happy
Good job.